first time I heard about artificial intelligence was probably in the movies. It's like Iron Man and Jarvis. And then once I started hearing about like Siri and Apple developing that, I started to make that connection that, oh, artificial intelligence is a real thing.
Artificial intelligence has just been something that I've always kind of heard about since I've always really been interested in like computer science and things like that. Last year we had the Neil Sahota series where he talked about AI, and I think that was probably my first time learning about it in a more academic setting. Before the senior year registration, Dr. Hernandez reached out to me and Adam and was telling us about this internship opportunity.
There was this opportunity at Loko AI, and they were looking for interns, and so of course I said I would be happy to join.
I took it because it sounded amazing. What I liked is that each week we came in and did something different. For example, one week we came in and we learned how to augment data. So pretty much we took these images and we turned them into a lot more images by like manipulating them so that the artificial intelligence would work better and be able to identify the pictures in different settings. And we made various artificial intelligence models, such as like neural networks.
They had us curate data sets. They also helped us step by step to produce like machine learning models and then go deeper into like deep learning models and then also convolutional neural networks.
I think my favorite part was learning. I've always heard about machine learning and artificial intelligence and whatnot, but I never really knew exactly what it was or how it was carried out and like the real world usage of it. They just teach us new things and we program together on most days and work on new topics. It really showed how much more there is out there for me to learn about.
We created a project where we could identify cars and just like analyzing all the data and figuring out like how to know whether you have the proper machine learning model created or not. And then you have to like test it for accuracy. And I think that's my favorite part of it.
So it really makes me excited for like my future because I want to go into this field, and seeing that there's so much out there for me to learn, I think has been the best part. It's a very good learning environment. There's no grades attached to it or anything. It's just purely driven by your own passion for learning.
I always wanted to go into computer science, and I kind of strayed away from AI because I thought it was too complicated. But after going into this, I found that AI is a lot more simple than I actually thought, and that I actually wanted to go into it more.